how to connect Apple Music to Discord. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Apple Music to Discord. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Apple Music app on your device and sign in with your Apple ID if you haven't already. Now go to the For You tab and look for the option to generate a unique Apple Music link. Once you have it, copy that link, we'll need it in a moment. Next, open Discord and log into your account. Go to your profile on Discord. Tap on the gear icon in the corner next to your username to open user settings. Now scroll down to app settings. If you've already installed the Apple Music Link plugin, you'll see an option called Use Music Link. Go ahead and toggle it on. If you don't have the plugin yet, like I don't have it yet, you'll need to download and install it from a trusted source such as App Store. Once installed, open the Apple Music Link page in your browser, paste the link you copied earlier, and click Connect. If everything's done correctly, your Apple Music account will now be linked to Discord, and your music status will show up under the music icon in Discord's top right corner. Now you can share what you're listening to with friends or just enjoy music while chatting. It's a great way to bring your music and community together. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. That's all for the video, and see you in the next one.